Okay, in the previous video, we set up how to create a recursive sequence for a logistics growth example. And now in part B, I want to use Google Sheets to create a graph that shows how this lizard population changes each year. So we could compute this by hand, plug in 600 into this equation, solve it to get the next year's population, then plug that number back in, and plug that number back in, and so on. But spreadsheet software such as Google Sheets could do this a lot faster. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this to the side. Okay, and now here on Google Sheets, what I want to do is for column A, I'm going to write N, which is time in years, and B, I'm going to write lizard population. If you go between two cells and double click, will automatically resize it. And now what I want to do is start my counter, and we're going to start at time 0. I'm going to start time 0 right here because this is going to correspond with the initial condition that t sub 0 is equal to 600. So I'm going to time is 0, lizard population, 600, because that's the initial population. And now what I want to do is have Google Sheets generate a bunch of terms right here. And what's nice about spreadsheet software, it's usually pretty quick about picking up the pattern. Now I should figure out that I'm just going increments of 1. So if I highlight all of these, I'll see a blue box on the bottom. Put your mouse cursor right above that blue box till you see this black plus sign. Click, drag down, and notice it kind of recognizes the pattern we're doing. And we want to go up to 20 turns. So just keep dragging until we get down to 20. And that's because we want to go for the next 20 years. Alright, in the next video, we'll then show you how to input the recursive relationship into Google Sheets to see how this population changes over time.